Welcome back, everyone. I'm Rusty Rockhound, and in today's video I'm going to show you all the rocks that I found during an Indiana rock hunt on April 1st of 2022, including some geodes and geode and host rock, and also a lot of crinoid stems, including the biggest crinoid stem that I've ever found. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so first up here are the geodes. Right here you have this nice botryoidally agate sort of geode. On these two you have more of a orange iron stained. Nice crystals. This one has a really nice sheen on it, and it has an orangish color. And then this one also has that same sheen, but it's a little bit more green color. And then most of those don't look any better wet. Maybe you could see a little bit more detail, but other than that, I mean, they don't look much better wet. Here's a little oddball. I'm pretty sure this is a piece of coal. It sort of has a little bit of iridescence where the little shatter points are. It's very shiny and reflective. It's really lightweight, and it doesn't really look any better wet. It just looks the same, kind of sparkly, shiny, and it's completely opaque. So I'm pretty sure that is a piece of coal. Here is a nice piece of quartz. It's very, very translucent. In fact, and then here's that one wet. This one, in my opinion, does look better wet. Right here is a nice little fossil imprint. Probably a brachiopod, but it looks like a heart, which is pretty cool. And this one, not much better wet. Still cool though. On the other side, it's just a weird indent. Here are two cool pieces of a shell. It's just super shiny and iridescent. Especially this one. It's just super shiny. Lots of colors. But this one's pretty cool because of how thick it is. Now here is all the chert that I found. This one is a weird sort of agate looking. There is a couple of like agate bands in the center there, and then it goes through to the other side. This one is a nice orange one. It's very waxy. It's pretty cool right there. This one's a nice banded chert. See those bands right there? And then this one's just a interesting orange. And then making these wet does make a big difference. You can see with that banded one, it's really nice. Maybe in there you can see some of those agate bands inside the chert, which is pretty cool. Now these three rocks are a really cool find because these are actually the geodes, yet still in the host rock. You can see all those little nodules. I'm not sure what the host rock is, but it looks to be some sort of sandstone. And these are just really cool. And then finally here are these huge crinoid stems that I found. And you can see right there is a quarter for scale. You can see how big these are. It's just super cool. Right here you can see where part of it would branch off, which is pretty cool. You can see those rings. And then of course there's the biggest one that I've ever found. It kind of has a little bit of a sheen, if you can see, especially right there. Whatever mineral that calcified or silicified this fossil, you can see it has a nice sheen, which is pretty cool. And here's that quarter for scale. So these are some pretty big crinoid stems, and they are definitely the biggest ones I've ever found. The circles on this one are super cool. Same with this one. So that's it for today's video. Good luck on your hunts. And if you're enjoying the videos so far, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, you know, all that to help out this channel, especially because it's new. And thank you for that.